Okay, I'm in Bogata, Colombia with my new friend Jimmy, and he's going to clean my shoes. So you might think, what do you mean he's not shoe shining? I've been to 25 countries. I've never had this done. Primero tiempo, limpia zapatas. First time cleaning shoes. My Spanish isn't perfect. I speak it every day, but it's not perfect. So very cool. Let's see what it is. This is the airport. I'm transferring to Medellin. It is now, which is spelled Medellin, but it's Medellin. And this is the airport. This is my fourth or fifth time in Colombia. And you see what he's doing. He's going all around. He's really like shampooing these. And using, what is that? Queso, it's soap.
Agua.
Aqua?
Huh?
Aqua is water, but we know this Nam in Thai, or Tubi in Tagalog. So Vasya in German. Wow, they're looking better already. Look at that. So if you're not sure what the before and after is, let's look at this one, right? That's before. And he's going in here. Very good attention to detail. I just said hi to Jimmy from being in the military doing my boots and shoes. So it's very cool. So foods here is really nice. People are really nice. I've been here and got a motorcycle rental before here. Yo tengo una moto renta donde Medellin. Yo no tengo problema a la calle. I didn't have a problem in the streets. Pero yo tengo un problema para policía porque corrupciones, hijo de puta persona. One time I have a problem with the police. Tried to say that I didn't have the registration original or something, and it was a copy, and they were going to steal my bike. They wanted money, but fortunately for me, my friend David was in my phone. He's a Colombian policeman, so that was all it took. So sorry for my finger being in the way. I'm too fat. Wow, look at that. See? It's nice to have someone that actually cares and will do a good job, right? Colombia is really good people. The only thing I can say is solo problema donde Colombia, con mucho respeto, colombiana persona is peligroso a la calle sometimes. Pero if you don't have your phone out, you're not walking around with a laptop, no problem. The problem is stupido persona with cell phone. Same in Brazil, some other places, like you will have this problem. Don't flash a lot of cash, you will have problem. Anyhow, hasta la vista from Colombia.